What's up guys, it's your boy Goshy. Welcome to today's vlog. As you guys have seen from the title of the video, I bought a new house. Damn! I can't wait to move in there. I'm moving in there today. Right now I want to have a haircut, just on the sides and stuff, just look a bit fresher, Yeah, it's gonna be epic. So make sure you guys watch till the end of the video so that you can see the full house tour, I'm just done having the haircut, feeling good. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm feeling fresh. It's about time. Those movers are on the way, coming to my apartment. I'm also headed there right now so that we pack things up. We go straight to the new house, man, and I can't fucking wait, man. I'm moving out of here. Yeah. Let's go. So guys, I'm moving out of here. So yeah guys, I think the movers have packed everything. It's time to go. Let me know in the comment section, do you usually feel like a bit like clingy, especially when it comes to moving out? Where we're going is super sick, so can't wait, man, can't wait. Man, I'm super excited, man. It's like a big step for me, Yeah, and it's a beautiful house. You guys have seen on the thumbnail. I know you guys are excited to get there as much as I am, Yeah. Let me open the sunroof, feeling the good breeze. Yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys once I'm there. Yeah. So this is like the backyard. I'm gonna do a follow-up video, so let's move things in first things first. This is the sitting room, right here. When you come inside, this is the sitting room. Nice and spacious and bright. There's the kitchen right here. The bathroom right here, the downstairs bathroom. There's one bedroom right here. There's some storage right here. The downstairs bathroom. Let's bring things in and make this place more homey, This is the downstairs bedroom, which I'm gonna use for my office. Man, it's crazy how I'm single and everything. I just got this little crib for myself. But anyway, so this is the upstairs bathroom, the common bathroom. And this is the master bedroom. This crazy ass closet space. I have my bathroom here. This house has 3 bathrooms, yeah? Yeah. This is my master bedroom. Yeah. Wow. More closet, more storage. Yeah, I can see the backyard from here. Beautiful. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. So this is my closet over here, but there's so much more storage over there. I think that's gonna be for my shoes only. Here's for my clothes. This is the common bathroom for upstairs. Then there's 2 more rooms here. This is one of the other bedrooms. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. Maybe a gym or something. And another bedroom over here. Whoa. Yeah, there's a whole front yard over here. Don't know what I'm gonna do with the front yard. Probably I'll get like the umbrella stuff and a place to chill and stuff. But yeah, there's a front yard, huge. Or I can have a kennel here and have some dogs. I don't know. Yeah, just let me know if you have some crazy ideas, some nice ideas. Just let me know in the comment section below. There's some space here for pantry. And there's this door. So it leads to... Yeah, this door leads to the back. There's another gate here. Washing area is right here. And then the parking. So guys, yeah, this is my new house. A lot of content is gonna be dropping here. Like, just stay tuned, stay subscribed. I'm also gonna do a follow-up video after like everything is already set up. I can't wait to be dropping a lot of more content over here for you guys. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share this video. It's your boy Goshy. Until the next one, I'm gonna do a follow-up video for real, guys, and show you every more details, you know, like I'm just gonna upgrade this place, you know, heavy. You know, I'm gonna make a gym and stuff. So I'm gonna upgrade you. I'm gonna tell you guys. I'm gonna be vlogging a lot. Look at the front yard and how dead it looks. I'm gonna make this place lovely, you know. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you share. It's your boy Goshy. Till the next video from my new crib. Peace.